Hello, everybody, and welcome to Becoming the Smart Money with the ARMR Investing Way. I'm Brett Rosenthal. Nice to see you guys. Every day, 4:05, I'm going to share with you one chart off of our trading desk. What we're doing here is sharing a virtual hedge fund experience. I ran hedge funds for over a decade, been running capital for 30 plus years. And what I'm doing is sharing with you how I run my own personal capital. You're the portfolio manager on the virtual desk. Figure out your risk tolerance goals and then execute accordingly. We had a huge day today, a lot of different things going on, but I'm going to share with you one chart. When I say a huge day, what I mean is there was so much going on our desk. I could choose from many different chart patterns, but I've decided to give you one chart every day. What's the one thing that I think is important for you to do your own research, your own due diligence and look at? And this is what it is today. If you, of course, enjoy this conversation, you can subscribe to the channel so you can see what our next video is going to be and all that kind of stuff. You could take a look at subscribing to the ARMR Investing Way right there or right there, ARMRinvesting.com. And don't forget, share the channel with your friends, anybody who you think can benefit from the information. So here we go. Had to talk about Unity software. For those of you who don't know, Unity was highlighted today at Apple's event day. Okay. And so Unity, and we can go take a quick look at the William O'Neill chart using MarketSmith. So really my favorite way to kind of, take a first glance at fundamentals of a company. We can see quarterly revenue is starting to ramp, even though they're bleeding red from an earnings point of view. And what they're doing here is they provide software solutions to create, run, and monetize interactive, real-time 2D and 3D content. And if you listen to the Apple event, that's what their standout product is at the end of that event. Got everyone excited. So on our trading desk, the minute we saw that story hit the tape, stock shot up and halted right in here. You're looking at a 3-minute bar chart now. So each bar is 3 minutes, blues up, reds down, and all the lines are the ARMR price movement profiler. In other words, the algorithm we use to day trade during the day. So we put a position on right there in that green box right there. Okay. It ripped higher. We raised our stop to right in amongst here. And we took our profit on a day trade from here to here. So first things first, it was just a day trade. We don't really know. We know they were talked about by Apple. We know the stock is down dramatically off of its highs. I've been following this company for a long time. In theory, I like what they're doing. And the stock's been just totally destroyed from, 200 down into the 20s. Okay. So total annihilation. But then again, it's been making a base since last April. And you get the volume coming into the stock today on the announcement of that of a relationship with Apple. What's going to happen now is analysts are going to come out in the street and tell you what they think that can do for the company. At the very least, it's a reference sale that's going to be important for the company. But at best, it's going to drive earnings and revenue going forward. Okay. So you'll see some earnings. My guess is some analyst comments tomorrow. They'll either be buy recommendations or sell recommendations, or they'll stay neutral. Okay. What we're going to do on our desk tomorrow, you could join us if you want. We're going to listen to the last conference call. We're going to listen to what management's been saying about the business and try to see where this fits in and whether or not we want to put it, quite frankly, elevate it to the ARMR Power playlist of our whiteboard. So it's always been on the whiteboard. Unity and Roblox kind of have been going hand in hand. And so now does this elevate Unity to something more important? I don't know. I will know more tomorrow after we do the research. If you wish, you could join us on the desk, armorinvesting.com. I wish you all a great night. I'll see you tomorrow, 4:05, for the one chart of the day off of our trading desk that we think is worth a look. Take care, guys. Have a great night.